Welcome to the Zebra Mussel Safari sampler installation video. Installing your sampler is pretty simple, but there are a few things to keep in mind. In general, hanging your sampler off the end of your dock is recommended, but there might be some situations in which the side of your dock or even closer to the shore is deeper. The most important thing is to make sure your sampler remains submerged in the water but is not touching the bottom of the lake for the duration of the project. You can use the black zip tie as a reference point for the water surface level. You can tie a slip knot in the appropriate level so the zip tie sits right at the surface level. And then make sure to leave some slack in case you need to adjust throughout the summer, and we recommend checking it at least once a month. That's pretty much all there is to it, but if needed, your local lake association coordinator can help with sampler installation or retrieval. Thanks for watching.